Is your garden ready for anything? The Porayhut pop-up greenhouse review. Tired of unpredictable weather ruining your precious plants? We've got you covered. Let's dive into the Porayhut pop-up greenhouse tent and see if it's the garden guardian you've been searching for. The Porayhut pop-up greenhouse tent is a portable walk-in greenhouse designed to protect your plants from cold, frost, and even pesky birds. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor gardening, offering a spacious environment for your green friends. This X-large flower house boasts dimensions of 72LX, 72WX, 84.6 H. It provides ample space for large plants, potted flowers, and gardening tools. It's like giving your plants their own sunshine-filled room. This greenhouse is crafted from thickened 600D Oxford and double-layer PE mesh fabric. This ensures excellent thermal insulation and durability. The included 12 ground stakes add extra stability, increasing wind resistance. The front door unzips and rolls up for easy access. Screen windows on both sides allow for ventilation. The arched roof prevents rain and snow accumulation. With an average rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,100 reviews, it's clear many gardeners are happy. Users praise its easy setup and effectiveness in keeping plants warm. Some note its lightweight nature and suggest securing it well in windy conditions. One user even reported it surviving a winter storm with snow. However, some reviewers mention concerns about long-term sturdiness. Pros: easy setup, large space, good insulation, portable design. Cons: some concerns about long-term durability in extreme weather. Folding it back up can be tricky. You can find the Porayhut pop-up greenhouse tent on Amazon. Check out the product page for the Porayhut greenhouse on Amazon for the latest price and availability. The Porayhut pop-up greenhouse tent is a great option for gardeners needing a portable and spacious solution to protect their plants. While it may not be the sturdiest option for harsh climates, its ease of use and affordability make it a worthwhile investment. Ready to give your plants the protection they deserve? Click the link in the description to check out the Porayhut pop-up greenhouse tent on Amazon and start gardening with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and reviews.